Welcome to the world of organic specialities by Russels from the lush estates of Sri Lanka. Our collection offers a diverse array of flavors, each sip a journey into nature's heart. Experience the rich essences and aromatic notes of our organic teas, whether you choose loose leaf or tea bags, promising a taste like no other. Our teas are crafted with natural ingredients and grown without synthetic fertilizers, herbicides or pesticides. Each leaf is rigorously tested for purity, ensuring authenticity and freshness. Even our packaging tantalizes the senses before the first steep. For true organic tea lovers, our brews are a symphony of flavors. From the delicate sweetness of fruity infusions to the robust richness of traditional blends, we cater to every mood and moment. Immerse yourself in 100% organic goodness, knowing each cup celebrates sustainability and wellness. Embark on a journey through our collection, letting your senses awaken to the unparalleled pleasure of organic tea. Whether you seek tranquility or vitality, our organic specialty teas offer an experience that nourishes both body and soul. Russels, your wellness is our priority.